Ayun, huwag ka ang wikang magpakapantas sa iyong sariling mga mata. Marami pong tao pantas sa kanyang sariling gustong paniwalaan, sabihin, 'no? Meron tayong instinct ng pagkamakasarili. Dapat sana ang naging panuntunan natin sa buhay, to be dependent on the person who understands the totality of our being, from our flesh to our understanding, our thinking, our emotions, our feelings, I should be guided by the understanding that comes from God. The Bible tells us sufficiently in many verses of the Bible that we cannot trust on our own understanding. Human understanding is vain. Lahat ng kaisipan ng tao para sa harapan ng Diyos ay walang kabuluhan.